In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel Bluehost domain. So let's see how we can do it. So to cancel our Bluehost domain, at first we need to log into our Bluehost account. So go to bluehost.com and then from the top click on login. Now here you need to enter your Bluehost username and password, and after that again click on login. So now we are in the Bluehost dashboard. Let's see how we can cancel our domain. Now from the Bluehost dashboard, from the left menu, we are going to click on domains, and after that we are going to select my domains, and here we will see all the domains that we have purchased from Bluehost. Now to cancel any domain, next to your domain you will see a manage button, and next to it there is a drop down. Just click on it, and after that from here select renewal, and after that you can turn off auto renewal from here, and in this way auto renewal will be turned off and your domain will be cancelled and it will no longer renew in the future. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.